Hi guys, so we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2016. The session is May-June. This is question number 7. In this question, we'll use a graph to find the cumulative frequency, median, percentile and quartiles. So let's start. Question 7 says, one day Garage A records the amount of petrol bought by the first 120 customers. The results are summarized in the table below. This is the table that they are talking about. Part A says complete the frequency table below. Let's complete this table. The first two values are given to us, 9 and 22. What you need to do next is you need to add 22 and 13. You need to add 22 and 36. That gives us 58. When you add 58 and 30, you get 88. Then you add 88 and 16, you get 104. Then you add 104 and 9, you get 113. Then you add 113 and 5, you get 118. And then you add 118 and 2, you get 120. Okay. The next part says on the grid below, draw a cumulative frequency curve to represent this data. So let's put down these values on this table, this grid, I mean. So the first one is 10 and 9. It is supposed to be over here, 10 and 9. The next one is 20 and 22. That means this is supposed to be over here, if I'm not mistaken, this one. Then it's 30 and 58. 30 and 58 is supposed to be somewhere around here. Okay, then it says 40 and 88. That means we have to go up this one, and it is supposed to be over. Oh, 1 second, if I'm not mistaken, it is supposed to be over here. Okay, I need to remove this. 1 second, just to be sure. Okay, so the next value is 50 and 104. 50 and 104 is supposed to be over here. Then the next value is 60 and 113. 60 and 113 is supposed to be over here. And the next value is 70 and 118. 70 and 118 is supposed to be over here. And the last value is 80 and 120. So it's supposed to be over here. Now let's connect these points with the curve. So we start from 0. And we go all the way up like this, and we connect all of these values like this. Up till now it's smooth enough, and we go like this. Okay, now the next part says use your graph to estimate the median. The median is supposed to be half of 120. It is supposed to be over here. First we draw a horizontal line at 60. And then once we've drawn that horizontal line, just like this, you connect this with the vertical line over here. 1 second, let me be very precise. Okay, you draw a vertical line over here. This would be perhaps, if my pencil was thinner, then this would have been 30.5. So the median is 30.5. The next part says the 90th percentile of the distribution, which means if there are 120 in total, and if you multiply that by 90% or 0.9, this gives you 108. That means you draw a horizontal line at 108. 1 second, let's do that first. So we have 108 over here. Let me be very precise. Oh my god. Okay. So we draw a horizontal line like this. Okay. And then we draw a vertical line. From this point onwards, it is supposed to be somewhere around over here. Okay. This is perfect. This gives us 54. So the 90th percentile is above 54. Okay. The next part. On the same day, Garage B also recorded the amount of petrol bought by its 120 customers. The results are summarized below. 6 customers bought 10 liters or less. The most petrol bought by any customer was 60 liters. The median amount of petrol bought was 34 liters. The lower quartile of the distribution was 25 liters. The interquartile range of the distribution was 19 liters. Draw the cumulative frequency curve for Garage B on the grid on the previous page. First, let's do this part. 6 customers bought 10 liters or less. So 10 liters or less, let's do this in black. So 10 liters or less, that means you put a dot over here. I hope you see the black dot. Okay. The next one let's do this. The most petrol bought by any customer was 60 liters. That means the highest amount of petrol distributed amongst 120 customers was 60. So you put a dot over here. 1 second. Is this correct? Oh no, this is not correct. So you put a dot instead of this. You put it over here. Okay. Then it says the median amount of petrol bought was 34 liters. So 120 divided by 2 gives you 60. So you have 60 over here. And then you have 34, 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. And you put a dot at 60 and 30, 34 and 60. That's what I mean. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. The next part says the lower quartile of the distribution was 25 liters. That means you divide 60 by 2. You are at 30 now. And the petrol bought was 25 liters. So you put a dot 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 over here. Okay. Then the last part is the interquartile range of the distribution was 19 liters. That means since you had 25 liters over here, you add 19 to it. What do you get when you add 19 to it? You get 44. So 44 is supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. And then the upper quartile would be at 90. So you plot a point at 44 and 90 first. Okay, 1 second. I am going to draw these lines so that I am able to see where I am supposed to put the point. Okay, this is going to be 90. I'm in the same line. It is supposed to be over here. Okay, 1 second. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so we have plotted all the points. Let's connect them through a single line. So this curve will also start from 0. It would go somewhat like this. And it will get connected at 90 over here. Okay, looks like a much straighter curve than the red one. Let's move on. So you've done this part. Now the last part. Petrol is priced at $2.6 per liter at both garages. Garage A offers a gift to customers who buy over 35 liters. Okay, so let's write this information down. Let's do all of this in blue. So Garage A, GA, 35 liters or more. Okay, and then Garage B offers a gift to customers who spend over $104. Okay. The price of petrol is $2.6. If you divide 104 by 2.6, you'll get the number of liters. So 104 divided by 2.6, this gives us 40 liters. Okay, 35 liters and 40 liters. The next thing that you do is actually you draw vertical lines at 35 and 40. So let's see what we get. 1 second. When we draw vertical lines, and this is for Garage A and Garage B. So when we draw vertical lines, let's see what we get. At 34, the first one is supposed to be drawn at 34. Okay, let's see, like this. I hope this is visible. I'm trying my best to draw a line that is visible. 1 second. Then you draw a horizontal line. It is going to be over here. Okay, over here. Then we draw another line at 40. We draw a vertical line at 1 second. 40 liters. Okay, so when we draw a line at 40, we go like this and we stop at the black line. Then we connect this with the horizontal line. It is supposed to be in between 78 and 80. It is going to be over here. So this is 79, I think. Okay, so for Garage A, it is above 74, right? It was 75. And for Garage B, it is above 79. So anything above 75 liters in Garage A and anything above 79 liters in Garage B, the customers would get gifts for that. So let's talk about Garage A for a second. So for A, if you subtract 75 from 120, you get 45 customers. Since we talk about the number of customers, we have to find which customers or whoever customers who go to either A or B get more gifts. Then if you talk about garage B, if you subtract 79 from 120, let's do that. 120 minus 79, this gives us 41 customers. Okay, so it's clear. Garage A gives out 4 more gifts to customers than B. So the statement that we write over here, first let's subtract this. 41 minus 40, 45 minus 41 gives us 4 customers, 4 more customers, I believe. So garage A offers a gift to 4 more customers than garage B. This completes our question. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of the entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.